Hey everybody, if you're new here, welcome to Fidelis World. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we will be detangling my daughter who has autism's hair. Previously, I just showed you the tools that you will need. You will need a bottle of water, a spray bottle preferred, a detangling comb, which is a wide tooth comb, along with some clips. And here we go. And also a good detangling lotion. I like to use Dark and Lovely's detangler because she has long curly hair and her curls get tight. I just recently took her braids out, so here we go. I'm separating the hair into 6 parts. It makes it easier for you to detangle because it is a lot of hair. You don't want to get overwhelmed, so I advise you to separate it into 6 parts so that way you could see what you're doing and not cause any type of pulling and tangling on the person's hair. My daughter is autistic and she is now 18. She's been getting her hair done since she was 2 years old. She is used to getting detangled and washed and getting her hair braided, but with people with autism, they do not like to be stimulated for too long. Like, they don't like to be touched. That's how my daughter is. Autism is different in everyone, and my daughter does not like to be touched for too long, so I have to move really quickly when I'm getting her hair done. The process between detangling and washing and blow drying and styling her hair roughly takes me 2 hours, depending on the style that I'm doing at the end. But I like to separate it into 2 different days. One day I'll detangle and wash and blow dry, and the next day I will do styling. So here I am taking my flex brush. This is a beautiful brush to detangle hair with. It does not cause any snagging and pulling, and it gets the hair nice and detangled and straight and ready for washing. You can cop this brush off of Amazon. It is called the Flex Brush, and I've been using it for years. I had got this brush from the beauty show in New York like 3 years ago, and I still have it and I love it. So you should pick you up one if you have a child with long curly hair and it detangles easily. This is a lifesaver. So I just go one section at a time and I clip it when I'm done to get it out of the way. She loves that, so her hair is not all on her, hanging on her neck. She doesn't love her hair in her face, so I like to clip the hair as I go along. As you can see, it's nice and detangled. And here are the 6 separate detangled parts, and she's ready to be washed. Thanks for watching.